Assalamu alaikum, welcome to new tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to show you how can you use extruded cut and sample hole inside SolidWorks sheet metal. Already I have made this object by using different kind of flanges like base flange, meta flange, gases, and I have them with different corners treatment. Like here I have discussed with you people wall corners, close corners, and etc. But in this portion I'm going to show you how can you use the extruded cut. This is like a cutout where you wanted to create a hole like an opening, and sample hole, both of them are used, but let me show. Just come and extruded cut and select the face where you wanted to create a hole, and let me draw a circle over here and do one thing, that let me choose this circle and press and hold control key this circle, make them concentric and say OK. Now exact sketch, and you will see, because the name indicate, I will create a cutout with you people. See what I did nothing. This time I drawn a circle. You can also draw anything, whatever you want. We choose this face, come here and ellipse, and let me draw an ellipse right at the moment, and again conform it right. So this is simply, this is quite simple. Okay, now the next thing, that is what actually I can create a simple hole over here. Just place in a hole on the wall where you wanted to create, right? I wanted to create over here, and here I will just blind, or even you can just like through all, because this hole I wanted to be created through all. And you can assign the diameter of the hole, let me keep it 12, and you can add the draft, or you can add the taper angle over here. Let me keep it 12 for now. Now the hole will not be the same through all, and if you see draft outward, first time let me keep it draft inside. See, so the hole that you have created is not the same through all. And once you come here, come to hole, edit feature, and draft outward. See, now this is the hole that we have created, but this is not the same through all. So hopefully you understand how can you use extruded cut and sample hole inside SolidWorks sheet metal. Thanks for watching.